Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Rocket Money app and whether or not it's real. I'm sure many of you have seen ads for Rocket Money pop up on your social media feeds or while watching YouTube videos. The app promises to help you save money on your monthly bills and subscriptions by finding and canceling unused services, negotiating lower rates, and tracking your spending. But is it all too good to be true? In this video, I'll be sharing my honest thoughts and experiences with the Rocket Money app. I'll also provide you with some tips on how to use the app effectively and avoid any potential pitfalls. So, let's get started. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app that was launched in 2015. The app offers a variety of features, including finding and canceling unused subscriptions. Rocket Money can scan your bank and credit card statements to identify any recurring charges that you may not be using. You can then cancel these subscriptions with a single click. Negotiating lower bills. Rocket Money can help you negotiate lower rates for your cable, internet, and other bills. Tracking your spending. Rocket Money can track your spending and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Building a budget. Rocket Money can help you create a budget and track your progress towards your financial goals. How does Rocket Money work? To use Rocket Money, you need to create an account and link your bank and credit card accounts. The app will then scan your transactions and identify any unused subscriptions or bills that you can cancel or negotiate. Rocket Money is free to use, but there is a premium subscription available that offers additional features, such as access to a team of bill negotiators and the ability to track your investments. Is Rocket Money real? Yes, Rocket Money is a real app that can help you save money on your monthly bills and subscriptions. However, it's important to note that the app is not a magic bullet. It takes some effort on your part to use the app effectively and achieve results. Here are some tips for using Rocket Money. Link all of your bank and credit card accounts to the app. This will give Rocket Money a complete picture of your spending habits. Take the time to review the list of unused subscriptions and bills that Rocket Money identifies. Not all of these subscriptions may be worth canceling. Be patient when negotiating with your service providers. It may take some time to get them to agree to lower rates. Keep track of your progress. The Rocket Money app can help you track your savings over time. In my experience, Rocket Money has been a helpful tool for saving money on my monthly bills. I've been able to cancel a number of unused subscriptions and negotiate lower rates for my cable and internet. However, it's important to remember that Rocket Money is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and effort to use the app effectively and achieve results. Overall, I think Rocket Money is a valuable tool for anyone who is looking to save money on their monthly bills and subscriptions. If you're willing to put in the effort, the app can help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.